Every meal, my mom has to remind me to finish my food, except for this one. For this dish, she actually has to tell me to stop eating so we can save some for my sister. To start off, grab 4 medium-sized potatoes. Give them a good wash and peel. Then, cut each potato in half and slice them into half-inch pieces. Place your potato slices right into the baking dish and give them a nice drizzle of olive oil. Make sure every single slice gets a bit of oil so they get nice and crispy in the oven. For seasoning, add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Give everything a really good toss so all the potatoes are evenly coated. Pop those into the oven at 400 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While the potatoes are slowly cooking, let's get started on that delicious top layer. In a skillet over a medium-high heat, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Break the beef apart with your spoon. Once it starts rendering its own fat, keep stirring and let it cook right in those flavorful juices. At the same time, peel 2 medium onions. I don't know what memories onions bring back from my mom, but she cries every single time she touches them. Slice the onions into nice, thick pieces so they don't just melt away and disappear while cooking. Once the beef has turned brown, toss in those sliced onions. Break them apart with your spoon and mix them in so they simmer directly in that beef fat. When the onions turn soft and translucent, season with salt to taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Mix everything together for another 2 minutes. Now, open up your fridge and grab whatever veggies you have on hand. My mom used a frozen mix of peas, carrots, and corn. Toss those in and let them cook for about 5 minutes. Next up, it's time to make a tomato sauce volcano. Clear a little space right in the center of your pan and pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce. Stir it all together and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes until it's rich and thick. By now, those crispy potatoes should be ready. Take the baking dish out of the oven. Bring over your juicy beef mixture and pour right on top, covering every single potato slice. Just look at that scene. Doesn't that look incredible? If you're enjoying the video so far, please support my mom's hard work and give her a giant tablespoon of likes. Now, for the best part, decoration time. What could be better than topping this off with a generous splash of shredded mozzarella cheese? Slide it back into the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes until the cheese is gooey and melted. Your final step? Loosen your belt and dive right into the pan and bon appetit. Let me know your thoughts on this recipe in the comments below and tell me if you're going to give it a try. Don't forget to check out our next video popping up right here on the screen.